Hey there, fellow travelers. Ready to embark on an unforgettable European adventure? Europe is a continent brimming with rich history, diverse cultures, and breathtaking landscapes. From packing light and mastering public transportation, to embracing local languages and venturing off the beaten path, these hacks will empower you to travel smarter and with a deeper appreciation for the cultures you encounter. Let's pack our bags, hop on board, and discover the magic of Europe together.
One of the biggest favors you can do for yourself when traveling through Europe is to pack light. Trust me, lugging around a heavy suitcase through cobblestone streets and train stations is no one's idea of a good time. Plus, with budget airlines and their baggage fees, packing light can save you a bundle. Lay out everything you think you need, then cut it in half. Choose versatile clothing items that can be mixed and matched to create different outfits. Roll your clothes instead of folding them. It really does save space. Utilize packing cubes to keep your belongings organized and compact. You'll be surprised at how much lighter you feel as you breeze through those charming European streets. Traveling light is all about freedom and flexibility. With a little planning and a dash of minimalism, you'll be amazed at how light you can travel and how much easier it makes your journey.
Europe is interconnected by an efficient rail network, making travel between countries a breeze. Unlock this network with a Eurail pass. Rail passes offer unlimited travel on participating networks, allowing you to explore multiple destinations. They offer convenience, flexibility, and can save you money. There's something romantic about train travel in Europe. Sit back, relax, and let the train transport you through Europe.
When it comes to finding the perfect accommodations in Europe, booking in advance is key, especially during peak season. By booking your accommodations early, you'll not only secure your preferred choice of lodging, but also unlock the best deals. Hotels and hostels often offer discounted rates for bookings made weeks or even months in advance. Whether you're looking for a cozy guest house, a centrally located hotel, or a budget-friendly hostel, booking in advance gives you peace of mind and allows you to focus on the excitement of your upcoming trip. No last-minute scrambling, no disappointments, just smooth sailing from the moment you arrive. The early bird catches the worm, or in this case, the best deals and the most charming places to rest your head after a long day of exploring.
Immersing yourself in different cultures is rewarding, and language is a gateway to connecting with locals. Learning a few basic phrases in the local language will enrich your travel experience. Imagine asking a vendor about their fresh produce with a friendly bonjour or guten tag. The look of appreciation on their faces will be priceless. Basic phrases show respect and a willingness to engage with the local culture. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Locals appreciate the effort. Even a few words can make a world of difference in your interactions.
Europe boasts some of the most efficient, reliable, and affordable public transportation systems in the world. From sleek high-speed trains to charming trams and comprehensive metro networks, navigating European cities has never been easier. Public transportation not only saves you money on expensive taxis and rental cars, but also provides a unique local perspective. You'll find yourself rubbing shoulders with commuters, students, and families going about their daily lives, gaining a glimpse into the rhythm of the city. Many cities offer travel passes that provide unlimited rides on all forms of public transport for a set period. So, ditch the car, embrace the adventure, and let public transportation be your guide to discovering the hidden gems and iconic landmarks of Europe's vibrant cities.
While peak season in Europe offers long sunny days and a vibrant atmosphere, there's something magical about experiencing the continent during the off-season. Traveling during the off-season, which typically falls during the spring and autumn months, means fewer crowds, shorter lines at attractions, and a more tranquil ambiance. You'll have more space to breathe, more time to savor the moment, and a greater chance of connecting with locals. Not only will you enjoy a more intimate travel experience, but you'll also benefit from lower prices on flights, accommodations, and even tours. Off-season travel is a budget-friendly way to stretch your travel dollars further and experience Europe like a local. So if you're looking for a more authentic and affordable European adventure, consider venturing off the beaten path and embracing the charm and tranquility of the off-season.
For budget-conscious travelers, especially solo adventurers and backpackers, hostels offer a fantastic alternative to traditional hotels. Gone are the days of cramped, dingy dorm rooms. Today's hostels are vibrant social hubs with a focus on community and shared experiences. Imagine this. You're sharing travel stories with fellow adventurers from around the world in a cozy common room, swapping tips and recommendations over a cup of coffee. Hostels provide a unique opportunity to connect with like-minded people, form new friendships, and create lasting memories. Many offer organized activities, walking tours, pub crawls, and even cooking classes, providing ample opportunities to socialize and experience the city like a local. Plus, they often have communal kitchens where you can prepare your meals, saving you money on expensive restaurant bills. So, if you're open to meeting new people, embracing a social atmosphere, and stretching your travel budget further, consider staying in a hostel during your European adventure.
Staying hydrated is crucial, especially when you're constantly on the move exploring new destinations. But in Europe, where bottled water can be surprisingly expensive, it's also important to be mindful of your environmental impact. That's where the trusty reusable water bottle comes in. Most European cities have readily available drinking fountains or taps where you can refill your bottle for free. Many accommodations also provide filtered water stations, making it easier than ever to stay hydrated sustainably. So ditch the disposable plastic bottles and make a conscious effort to travel responsibly by carrying a reusable water bottle.
When planning a trip to Europe, it's easy to get caught up in the excitement of booking flights and accommodations. However, one crucial aspect that should never be overlooked is travel insurance. It provides peace of mind and financial protection in case of unexpected events. Travel insurance covers medical emergencies, trip cancellations, lost baggage, and more. It's a small investment that can save you thousands and ensure you enjoy your trip.
In today's hyper-connected world, it's easy to rely on our smartphones for everything, including navigation. However, when traveling in Europe, where data roaming charges can quickly add up, having access to offline maps is essential. Before you depart for Europe, download offline maps of the cities and regions you'll be visiting. Several apps such as Google Maps and Maps.me allow you to save maps for offline use, ensuring that you can navigate with ease even without an internet connection. Offline maps not only save you money on data charges, but also provide peace of mind, especially if you're venturing off the beaten path or exploring areas with limited cell service. So before you embark on your European adventure, make sure to equip your phone with the power of offline maps.
Well, there you have it, my 10 essential travel hacks for experiencing Europe like a seasoned pro. From packing light and mastering public transportation to embracing local languages and venturing off the beaten path, these tips will help you navigate the continent with ease, save you money, and enhance your overall travel experience. So pack your bags, hop on board, and get ready to create unforgettable memories that will last a lifetime. Until next time, happy travels.